What's for dinner? Shepherd's pie. And in this video, I'm showing you just how easy it is to make. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I have been wanting some shepherd's pie for the longest time. I mean, what can be better than ground beef, veggies, and mashed potatoes? And you mix it all together and you come up with shepherd's pie. And I was in the mood for something that was just a little bit comforting, some comfort food, because I was just a little bit under the weather, and I thought shepherd's pie would be perfect. So not only is it comforting, but it's also filling. And I like to make my shepherd's pie with ground beef since I don't care for lamb. So let's get it started. I'll keep an eye on this, but while it's cooking, I'll be getting the onion, carrot, and garlic ready. I think I probably need to also get my potatoes on to boil, because if I'm going to put mashed potatoes on top of this mixture, I guess I'm going to need some cooked potatoes, so I better put a pot of water on so I can get those potatoes to boiling. I've got my herbs, my thyme, my rosemary, my onions cooked into this ground beef mixture. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. Two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now let's stir that up, and man, the smell is just amazing. So the heat's on low, and I'll just get this all mixed together. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of red wine and reduce it. So I'll let this cook until the wine is reduced. It'll take a couple of minutes for that, but I tell you what, this smells absolutely amazing. I can see where the leaves have come off of this thyme sprig, so I can take that out. So the wine has evaporated. Now I'll add some salt and pepper to taste. Now a cup of chicken stock. And I'll bring this to a boil and let it thicken. Meanwhile, my potatoes are done, and I'll get those ready. And then I like a few more veggies in my shepherd's pie. I like to have a little peas and corn, so let me grab those. Cup of corn, cup of peas, we'll bring this to a boil, and then we'll set it aside while I get the potatoes ready. So now I've added 2 tablespoons of butter, and I will mash the potatoes. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of milk, and I'm using heavy cream. 2 egg yolks. And let's get all that goodness mashed together. And once I get it good mashed, I'll add a little salt and pepper. Ultimate in comfort food, mashed potatoes. Okay, so let's spoon the mixture into the bottom of this dish. And it just looks amazing. Now we'll add some mashed potatoes, starting on the edge and working our way in. Now we just kind of start to smooth it into the center. Sprinkle it with more Parmesan cheese. Now we'll pop this in the oven. We'll let that bake for about 30 minutes and then we'll get it out. Take a look at that. You can see the sauce bubbling around the edges of the dish. The Parmesan is cooked and it's just nice and golden brown. I'll have to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then I can dish it up. You ready for dinner, Will? Well, I got it.
Looks amazing.
I think it's pretty good. So my husband and I are going to enjoy our meal, but before we do that, I have a question for you. What is your ultimate go-to comfort food? When you're feeling just a little bit under the weather, or you've got a sick family member, what do you like to put on the table? Tell me about it in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children, I've managed a house for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye, and I'm going to enjoy me some shepherd's pie.